Already cooked. This is my first batch. My second batch. Kaso tingnan mo yan. Kasi kutsara ang kinuha ko. Dapat pala yung, alam mo yung kutsilyo. Yung maninipis lang sana. Tsaka mainit. Kaya naging na-deform siya. And we have here the last one. This is the last one.
Hello, good evening guys. Magkape tayo. Coffee guys.
Oh, makainit.
Hello.
Coffee and puto.
And then photo.
Puto ni Nonoy. Ayaw na kay unhanta. Dire.
Photo ni Nunet.
Puto siko.
Main ko yung cup.
Imay ni akong dalaga.
Bestie ko na. Ano ka, bestie? Come here.
Albe.
Friend mo din siya. Come.
Upang. Ulipit ko na.
Come, Albe.
Ay, there. Ay, si Albe.
Albe.
Ano ko magbara.
Come. But it's not allowed to guests. It's not allowed for visitor. Bestie corner, come here. San Madam Apple? Here. She's here.
Kinsa ko na sa Albe?
Pakita mo mamaya. Albe! You go gym or no? Dali, bisita ka.
Sino?
Tumalon na. No, just now, hindi lang eating. After gym, eating. Eating puto.
Iting putoy.
Ay, be,
Eating
I
puto,
miss
eh.
you. Ini.
Sa bakon kay maunhan mis ako.
Be, halika bisa. Suman punta ka dito. Magkapit tayo.
Sakto ra ko anday no sugar din no. Ang puto ba?
Oo. Sagay ka, be. May wine ako dito. Very hot. Very hot.
Very hot ang akong kopi.
Oh, this like this. Super serious.
Hindi.
Halika. Brush ya. Albi, come here to Albi. Asit. Albi!
Hoy,
Hoy!
saan si Apple?
Ito, apple.
Yeah.
Kamusta ka na?
Mabot ka. Iting.
Albi, did you not go gym?
Tapos na.
Why you change the gym?
Di pa kapi na doy.
Later I will go.
No, why you change?
Di pa.
Come in my gym na.
No, they're my friends. I cannot go and go.
Ah, okay. Okay, close my mouth.
You finish your gym?
Yeah, just now, and then after that, Apple, she make photo.
Why you eat some protein food?
Huh?
After gym, you need to eat some protein food.
Oh, I want to make shake, but